Hey everybody, Manuela here. Happy Tuesday. Hope you're having a great Tuesday. So, in this video, you've probably seen this on my Facebook fan page. If not, it's on YouTube. Make sure you go ahead and just subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Love sharing value, love sharing new opportunities or anything that I can help you with to basically make more money, okay? Again, I don't advertise things that I'm not using myself or having success with, okay? So this is called Wi-Fi Wealth System. Again, if you haven't heard of Wi-Fi Wealth, I'm going to kind of go over that with you now and show you what's new in the system, okay? So basically, this was created by one of my sponsors, one of my mentors, Angie Long, and she created this system. And by the way, it is a free system to activate. Anyone can activate it. Once you get in and get your login, you can create a login and all that. But basically, the system is used specifically, the main purpose was for MCA. Motor Club of America, okay? If you're not familiar with Motor Club of America, that's a whole nother video. Definitely message me and I can get you into more of that information. But basically, it's a roadside assistance service, and I am an affiliate of that program. And she created this system specifically for MCA Associates to utilize so that we can get more people in front of that opportunity, whether they just want to get the benefits or they want to basically monetize and get income, okay? So fabulous system. And basically there's 10 steps in the system. Once you register and activate for free, there's 10 steps to follow, basically to allow you to really earn some residuals and some great income within the system, okay? So I'm going to go right in and kind of show you. I know I've spoken about this before, but that's the primary reason for this is to get MCA Associates making money. There's been so many people that haven't been making money with MCA. They don't know how to advertise correctly. They're advertising in Facebook groups and all over Facebook, and maybe they're not getting, a lot of times Facebook is very strict now, where you'll get, flagged or removed or basically kicked off Facebook for, a certain amount of times because they're looking at it as spamming, okay? So this system is created to kind of alleviate that and allow us to basically find and use another method to get more eyes on it, get more traffic to it. And that's why she created this system. So in this system, we're actually using Udemy. If you're familiar with that, it's solo ads. Basically other people's lists, we're using other people's lists to advertise this offer, MCA on their list. And we're talking about people that have big lists, 20 plus thousand subscribers to their list. So putting this imagine how great that is, because they're going to see your offer. They're going to go into the system. They're going to sign up for, MCA, AWeber, everything that's in this system, and you're going to get paid for that. So that's the beauty of it. And that's in a nutshell. Definitely, if you need more information, I have other videos I've been talking to it about, and they're on my YouTube channel. Please go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to drop that, my channel on the bottom of this post once it's done, so you can go to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? A lot of value on there. So let's just get into it. I don't want to waste too much time. Again, I just explained to you what Wi-Fi Wealth System is. You have Angie Long who speaks.
Hey, you made it. Congratulations on being an action taker and making it on the inside.
So let me just pause that. She basically is the owner, like I said, of the system. She welcomes you into this member area. So when you guys click a link below this video or on my page, wherever you find this, you're going to be prompted to enter in an email address. And that's going to be your best email address, so that you can basically go ahead and set this system up for free, okay? It's going to have some requirements as far as entering a username, setting up a password, so you can get access. And then once you're all set up, you have this back office. This is yours, okay? Again, it's free. The system is free, but inside there's opportunities to basically earn income, okay? And so we're going to talk about that briefly. So again, you're going to go through each step. She's going to walk you through videos, very newbie friendly. My 9-year-old could do this. You're going to activate each level, okay? And the first step is activating your Wi-Fi partners. And this is the new thing that's been implemented. I want to talk about this quickly. Basically, this has been replaced with something else we had called Ebates. If you know what Ebates is, it's basically an app you can shop with, and you get like cash back for it. And we had that on the front end in this system, but we're finding people were signing up for it but weren't utilizing it, so we weren't really getting any kind of pay from it. So what she's done is she's replaced that with a new affiliate offer, which is very easy and is allowing us to earn $1.50. So basically, someone, again, to give you an example, someone comes in, they register for the system, they've activated the system, all right? So the first thing they're going to see when they come to this is activating this pay per lead program. They're going to basically go in, register how they're supposed to. It's going to walk you through it. Put in your best email address, and then you're going to register for a webinar, which is being led by Rich Leg is his name. And that's how basically everybody who comes and puts their email address to register for that webinar, we're getting credit for that. And that's how we're able to get the $1.50. So if you're imagining you're going in and you're getting 100 subscribers into this, 100 people registering, that's $100 in your pocket. Now, the premise of this, okay, is not only to pocket that money for yourself, but also to put that back into your advertising that we're using with the system. As I mentioned, it is Udemy that we're using to get more eyes in front of our offer. So we're not having to be on Facebook getting, thinking people are calling us scam artists and we're spamming and this and that. It's just fabulous, and we're able to utilize this money to put towards our advertising, okay? So when you come in, you're going to activate that level, and then you'll basically have your own dashboard. And I'll show you that real quickly. This is loading, 1 second, and we'll log right in. And this is your own dashboard. So you'll see, how many people are signing up under you. And it tells you what this is basic. You get $1.50 per lead through our Wi-Fi Partners program. All right. So once you set it up, you're going to be set up to go. Okay. Basically, every time someone comes in and they register for that webinar, you're going to get $1.50 credit. So that does add up in the method that she uses. She's telling us to use to get more eyes in front of the offer. Okay. And I just told you what that was, is Udemy. Okay. Very simple. So once you complete that step, you're going to be directed to go to MCA. If you're not already an associate of MCA, guys, this is the benefit I'm talking about. So as I'm speaking, I want to speak to everybody. If you're already an MCA associate, then you would just basically go into this and you would put in your already created affiliate link, so that you basically everything will be tied to you in your current affiliate ID. So you'll get credit for anyone who's coming through. It's very, very easy. She walks you through that, where to put your affiliate ID in the system. So anyone who's not already an associate of MCA, so basically, again, I have other videos on the benefits. Please message me and I will go over those benefits with you. But basically, as an associate of MCA, we have the ability to earn those $80 commissions, okay? And that's everyone who's coming into this system. This is how we're utilizing this. This is how we're getting our signups. They come in, they activate that first level or second level. They come in and activate their MCA. And again, MCA is $40 up front, which covers your first and your last month of the service, of the benefits. And then it's $20 a month to maintain those benefits. You're not paying for a job. Let me clarify that, because everyone always gets confused. Why should I pay for work? So that's the difference. Well, this is our business, and we're paying for the benefits, okay? So I wanted to clarify that. So when you come in, that's all you're doing. Instructions are in here. It tells you what MCA is. You just activate the benefits, you pay your $40, and it's going to be $20 a month after that. You're going to get a kit in the mail, which is 7 to 10 business days, okay? It has a variety of roadside assistance benefits, as well as medical, dental, vision, prescription discount services. The whole package, people, is valued at over $150,000. I love to reiterate that. So just to let you know, you're getting a lot for $20 a month, okay? So basically, that's what you'll do here. You'll activate your MCA. You'll go to the next step, and you're going to go ahead and set up your direct deposit, because, yes, we do get paid. We do get paid via direct deposit every Friday for the sales that made in that previous week, okay? So you'll get sales, and that's how we get paid, is via direct deposit. She walks you through how to set up your direct deposit here. I'm not going to go through clicking on every single detail, but that's what these steps are. And this next step, you're going to activate basically your AWeber. Now, if you already have an autoresponder, I mean, I would just say go ahead and get this as well so you can monetize it. It's not going to hurt you. The first 30 days are free. It's a free trial period. And then everyone who comes in and signs up for AWeber to connect this system to, so you get your leads separate from the system. That's all this is. You're going to get $5.90 recurring every time they stay. As long as they stay active on AWeber, you'll get $5. I think it's 10% commission off of the sale. So you'll continue to get $5 and they mail you a check for that. Okay. So that's something else you're going to want to do. And again, guys, you know, if you want to monetize and maximize your income in this, and that's why we're saying 400 plus, because that's what is possible for you to make with all this different streams of income. You want to maximize that, you know. So it's going to tell you to connect your AWeber, and then here's your promotion links. They're going to be under this tab here. Okay, it's basically going to tell you, you know, this is your link. It's going to explain everything to you here. I mean, literally, she explains everything to you, how to basically put on a tracking link here. So everything can be tracked. If you have multiple places you're advertising, you actually can add on a tagline here. She shows you how to do that. I do that because I do Udemy, YouTube, other things. You can add on a link so you know where your traffic is coming from, who is opting in, and that's a good method. So that's something here you're going to get. This is my personal link, okay? Let's go to the next step here. Let's see. So you got your links. This is going over how to get people to your website, guys. This is the most important part. You know, she gives you a script. She's going to go again. It's a video here talking about it. You got a script here. She tells you step by step how to purchase traffic, how to go into Udemy, and how to order your traffic. Literally, she breaks it out for you. Here's your little script. Okay. So far, I've been able to get 2 sales with MCA utilizing her strategy, and I love it. And now I'm just excited because of that $1.50 on the front end. I'm really, really excited about it. Some case studies. These are people that she recommends you not use. So she's even going as far as saying, okay, guys, you don't want to use these vendors, or that vendors, okay? It's just good because that way we're not wasting our money, all right? So the next would be going into training and bonuses. This is where you're going to go, where you're going to see some of the ladies or some of the people on our team who have made income, and she's going to continue to add that. These are testimonials. Okay, so that's the last step in the system. Very easy. This is the main few that you really need to set up, but you're going to want to take your time and go through each thing in here step by step, and definitely sign up for everything if you want to maximize and get the most value from this system. Okay, last part I want to show you is your stats. This is where you go to check out, you know, who's come in, who's opted in, who's registered in your system, and these are like everyone. And this is all the traffic I'm getting from Udemy. So you want to take advantage of that. I mean, Udemy is just simple to use. I love it. So that's what you want to do. You want to come in and just go for it. Take advantage of it, okay? Come in, take advantage of it. And I think that was about it. The profiles where you go. These are basically all your, you know, everything that's tracked to you. These are all your links and things like that are tracked to you so that you get paid for each of these areas in the system. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to share with you that new piece that's been added that's allowing us to make even more income. If you have any questions, please comment. If you're finding this on YouTube, comment. Love to hear your feedback. If you have any questions at all about the benefits of MCA, if you're new to MCA, please message me and I will give you some more information. All right, guys, I will see you on the next video. Take care.